Hi, we're doing the Cupid box. It's something that you can order whenever you want as long as it's available through Fat Quarter Shop. So let's open it up and see what's in there. Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. We're in my sewing room, but not anything you can really see yet. I promise you'll get to see more soon. But we're going to open the Cupid box from Fat Quarter Shop. Now this was designed to be kind of a February type box, but it is something that's not a subscription. So it's on their website. You can go on there and sign up for it, and they still had some. So I was able to get one, and it's heavy. Really excited to see what's in here. And so we're going to open it up together, and I've already broken the tape on there. But it's a 2022 Cupid box, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. And we get a coupon. Oh, how cute. Okay, so this is the Cupid box. So let's see what all's in here. So again, it's a Valentine theme, but you know, it takes a while to make a quilt, so it could be for any occasion, but if you do want it for Valentine's, you need some time to put it together. So I'm very happy to get this box. Okay, so we get the Cupid box exclusive, Falling in Love Fat Quarter Bundle by Danny Mugstad for Riley Blake Designs. And that is this, which I will open up in just a minute. And then we have Falling in Love finishing fabric. And look at this. We've got white fabric and red, and the red has this cute little swirl on it. I don't know if you can see it through the shiny on here. I'll take it out. We'll get to that. So this, how much fabric have we got here? It's 1 5/8 yard of snow for the background and borders, and 1/2 yard of red binding. All right. Oh, the fabric retail value is $18.49, $18.48 to be specific. The yardage is $22.84. Then we have a leather heart keychain, and it says "In Love." Oh, the O-ring is a D or a heart. I mean. That's adorable. There. That is a retail value of $8.98, and we get cherry lip balm. It says Fat Quarter Shop right there on there. That is a value of $3.98. Let's see, where's the rest of it? Cupid box exclusive. It is the pink mini simple folded corners ruler by Antler Quilts. Our favorite tool for cutting corners has taken us on a pleasury pink hue, making it easy to spot anywhere in the room. This is limited edition, and it's $11.98. And there's that. Then it has a quilt pattern. It Takes Two quilt pattern. This is a value of $9.98. Look how cute that is. And then here's what the supplies are that you need and what basically came in our box. And it's a Fat Quarter Shop pattern. Now that we have looked at that, that's a really good deal. I am going to look at this. I will also put the link to her shop below so you can check things out, check out the different boxes that she has. So here's the red. And here's the white. This is a grunge or painter's fabric. I'm not sure. Actually, it's hash marks. It's neater. Let's see if I can open this up so you can see up close. See the little cross hatches in there? And now for our fat quarter little bundle. Does it say how many are in here? I'll soon find out anyway. It has the pink trucks in it. So cute. Oh wow, this is fun. This pink is just like the red, but it's with pink and white. But that's what that red looked like with the darker red swirl. These are very pretty. And then the last print has these little trucks on it. Typewriters, box of chocolates, roses, a banner, falling in love, hearts, balloon. Looks like a Valentine or a letter. Lots of options. So that is what that is. I'll put the price of the box and again the link so you can get to it. Let me know if you guys have ordered this or plan to order this or have seen anybody make this. I'm excited to get to this project. And I wanted to see what was in here, so I'm very, very happy with my purchase for the Cupid box. Again, through Fat Quarter Shop. And there you go. Have a great day.